Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to repot some of my succulents. Okay, so let's look around the succulents that we are going to repot. Two. This one could still stay there. I think, yeah, let's try to repot this one also. This one, that one, this one, that one. I could already repot them because they're big already. Here are my beheaded succulent. If you're gonna look, their color change because they've been like that for a long time, so I kinda placed their head up. They're already callous, but no roots as of the moment. Still no roots, so we're leaving it like that for a moment. If I have enough pots, then maybe I could repot them. Soil mixture is a combination of like 70% IPA and then 30% just the regular soil we have here. Hello everyone, may I present to you the first batch of graduates in my succulent nursery. Yes, like my new nursery, these are the ones that I picked that are big enough to grow in their own pots. Okay, they're graduate of this one. We're a graduate of this batch. Okay, they already left their nursery homes and decided to grow. They are now growing in individual, almost individual pots. Today is April 28th, and I'm going to repot my beheaded succulent even though they don't have roots yet. If you notice the change of color there, they became light at the center because I turned them upside down and they don't have enough sunlight. That's why it changed color. Here one. Okay, and so let's see what happens if they are okay even though I repotted them without roots. So here are my succulents. It's kind of weird repotting beheaded succulents because I didn't or wasn't able to give enough space for their stem. So I hope they would survive and good luck with that. I'll just update you on what happened to them. I'll just place them here. Thank you for watching. Until next time, God bless.